Welcome to my channel Sizzling Art. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we will learn how to draw the bookmarks easily. Watch the video till the end. This is the most easiest one. Do you remember we used to play the game in which we joined the dots and used to make boxes? In this we have to do the same, but in this we can draw any shape. Just watch.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hope you all liked the last one. Now this one will be amazing. Do watch this also till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In this we can draw semicircles and any type of design which you like. I used a drawing sheet, A3 drawing sheet and a black pen. You can use a black pen or a black sketch. I use black pen just for finishing and for good looking. Try to draw it freehand. It will give a good look to your bookmark.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is
You can draw as many designs as you want.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
Hope you
we
all
ever
like this one.
trust. Yeah.
These are the others which I made. You can try these also. So please don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. Do subscribe and share my channel as much as you can.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Thanks for watching the video.